Hello, Pythonistas. Don't panic. Yes, we're opening Excel. I promise. No indentation errors, no tabs versus spaces debates, and absolutely no import statements that mysteriously work on one machine but not the other. For this quick start, we're using what might be the simplest spreadsheet on planet Earth. Just three things: emergency coffee, price, tax, tip. That's it. No pivot tables, no VLOOKUP nightmares, and nothing here requires pandas. Which is great, because sometimes even pandas doesn't know what disk type it wants to be today. We all need caffeine. This sheet tracks the price of our morning survival juice, £2.92. We add 20% tax and a tip, which varies depending on the emotional stability of the barista. All of this rolls into cost, the total amount we sacrifice to stay functional. Let's look at the formula. We round to 2 decimals. Add the tip, add the tax, add the base price. A perfectly simple expression. And yes, here's the exact same logic in Python. Friendly. And unlike Excel, nothing breaks because someone dragged a cell too far to the right. But here's the real point. This formula is easy. But imagine this wasn't a tiny coffee example. Imagine a real-world business spreadsheet, 12 tabs, nested formulas, lookup chains, business logic written by someone who hasn't worked here since Python 2. And absolutely no comments. Now the problem becomes clear. Python developers love clean, expressive code. But the business still lives inside Excel. And this is where Codcel becomes your new favorite tool. Codcel takes this sheet, even the cursed ones, and turns it into real Python code. A clean API, a UI, and an AI-ready calculation server. All we need to do is add a few tiny tags into the sheet. For the emergency coffee price, we tag it with add star, I star, then the cell it refers to, D2. So star, I star, D2 star, done. Easy. Next, tip. For the tip, which defaults to 0, we use star ID star D4 star. That tells Codcel, this is an input, the default value is whatever is in the cell. Tax stays constant, because the government, unlike floating point numbers, rarely surprises us mid-calculation. And the output, the cost, gets star O star D6 star output at D6. We now have input, price, constant, tax, input with default, tip, output, total cost. And those tiny tags are all Codcel needs to convert this spreadsheet into real Python code. In the next part, we'll use Codcel to turn this Excel file into a Python calculation engine, all in minutes. So yes, you can keep writing Python and let Codcel handle the spreadsheets. To keep exploring Codcel, visit us anytime at codcel.io. See you in the next video.